This video is going to go over some tips for managing a blister out hiking or doing any activity outside. So here's our foot here. We've got a nice fluid-filled blister. And ideally what we want to do is leave this intact. We don't want to pop blisters unless it's really creating a lot of pain and you're unable to walk on it. Then what you want to do is use a safety pin, and you can sterilize this with an alcohol swab. And you just want to lance it so you can kind of poke right through that blister and then really kind of milk it and allow that to drain out. So you can do that if you need to, but if you can tolerate it closed, that's better. Some options for treating this blister would be creating moleskin around it, so you can create big donuts to go around whatever the size of blister is. You can apply our hydrocolloid bandages. So these blister prevention bandages, they can go right on top, and blister treatment bandages, and these are going to actually absorb some fluid as that blister eventually drains, and provide some cushioning as well as some protection. These can stay on for a number of days. You can also apply a Band-Aid over it if you find that helpful. It's got a little bit of cushioning in it. Some people like that. So it's really kind of a personal preference what you like best. In terms of applying anything to the bandage, it's good to use a number of wipes to really prep the skin, and that's going to improve the adhesion of whatever you apply. So really, the order at which we do this is we'd like to use a BZK swab. So this is an antiseptic swab, and this is going to clean the skin and prevent any infection. We can dry the skin, and especially for milking the blister, we can poke it and then drain it into some gauze and really get that all out. Then we want to remove all the oils on the skin with an alcohol swab. So we can use that, get all the oils off where we're going to put the adhesion, and then add some stickiness and tackiness to the skin using our skin tack swab, or skin tack wipes. So you can apply this over the area anywhere where you're going to stick the bandage, and that's going to really improve the adhesion to it. That's the big component of adding any bandaging, whether it be for blisters or wound care, especially in a outdoor setting, is prepping the skin. So doing that is really going to help. Then you can add your moleskin if you like, or I'm going to show the hydrocolloid bandage here. So this is what it looks like. Nice big pad. And again, we've prepped the skin effectively. So you're going to remove the backing and apply this just right over that blister. And it's quite sticky, so you just got to grab the backing here as it comes off. There we go. So this is going to go right over that whole blister and really creates a nice cushion to it. And like I said, it will absorb some fluid as it drains, and this can stay on for a number of days. And what's really going to help that is doing that proper prep to the skin. So again, cleaning with a BZK or an antiseptic, drying that with some gauze, cleaning away any of the oils with an alcohol swab, prepping the area with a skin tack wipe, and then applying your bandage. And then this is going to improve the adhesion and how long it can stay on. So that's just an overview of some tips for managing blisters when you're out there. We do have a Blister First Aid Kit that contains all these products, and it really is a great little kit to add to your hiking or your first aid kit.